To install the Trello application, go on the agency level and there's level of marketplace. So search your application like here, install it, and then if you want to install it on all the locations, then install here. Like this is the agency level, install there, and if you install on a particular location, then install there. So in our case, we are going to install on the locations. So proceed. So wait a few seconds here. So it is successfully installed. So let's go on the location level, and here there is the custom page. This one. So here search. In my case, it is already configured because I already put the credentials here. Like here is the API key and there is the token. So now to get these credentials, first you need a Trello account. For this, click on Power Up Admin Portal. So you will be redirected there, and here you can create your API key and token. Like click on New button and fill this information like your URL, your sport, email, like the other things. So in my case here already, so there is my URL, icon, and my email. So I save it. So after this, click on the API key, and this will be your API key. So copy it and then paste here. And for token, like there, click on this to get the token, and after that, like allow it. So this will be your token. So copy it, and after it, click here and then submit. Your credentials are saved. Now the app is installed and configured. So now you can test all the workflows. Like go to automation and here of Trello, like creating a Trello board. After this, after creating it, like let's add to the nodes, and here the custom values. So this one is Trello. So this is all the data like we getting from this workflow. Like we are getting ID, name, description, ID, organization, URL, and short URL. So you can use in other action as well and in the notes as well. Similarly, like let's go to Trello. So you can maybe like this. This will be your ID, and then save. After this, so create a Trello board, and if you want to update it, like click here. So the board ID, get this from the custom values, like here. This will be the ID, and this will be your new name that will be updated, and this will be the description. So save and then save it. So you can test the workflow like this, like this. This is how you can use this application as well. Thank you.